Good morning, good morning. Time check 10:24. Here we are again. They are removing the stairs that they made here po. They're going to put it here at the back because this area is done already. They are already starting up on the back of the house. Ayan. Are, the other workers who are here. Choporgado will plaster this part po of your terrace, and also at the front terrace is doing the front na po already here. uh, no one is doing the attic works po because Jay is absent early morning. I don't know if on the afternoon he will go to work po, maybe po later. Yeah. And we also poured cement po on the second to the last step of the stairs. It's still wet. The last part po will be that one po. Later po, when this one already dried up, they will put the frame onto this side, so it will be poured cement later po. Now po, ceiling muna, ceiling. Already here. This is the living room and dining room area po. The middle part po is already done. The side all around po is a little bit difficult because it has two layer. The upper part and the lower part po, the design, and then the inside of the design also they will put what you call this, gypsum board. It's po all around. Tatay's room is already done, the ceiling, and also their bedroom closet already done. Also the CR po already done. The only remaining po is this part po, waiting to be built by the frame po. Frame is missing, then it can be covered by gypsum board also. On this room po, it's already done all. Also the CR done. Ayan po. They are pouring cement on this part po. This is the C-bar on the side of your room po. Dani, ingatan mo wag malagyan ng ano ha, yung plywood ha. Pwede naman malagyan pero pahiin mo rin. Ayan po, all the way through that area going here. It will be filled with cement po. Small beam C-bar. That area and also this area. And we have the ceiling, guys. Your room is a little bit ano daw po, different from other rooms because it has three layers of design, I think. So, and we are not yet removing the stairs po because the ceiling guys needed to properly lay out the skeletal frame of the ceiling po. So after the skeletal frame is done, we will remove the ceiling po, the stairs, so it won't get damaged by the works. We can use wooden ladder. Ayun po. Yan natin. Yan natin. Babush.